Have you ever noticed how heavy your mind feels sometimes? Thoughts racing, worries repeating, doubts echoing. You try to focus, but the noise inside never stops. We think more information will solve it, but often the answer is not adding more. It's learning to empty the mind. And the story I'm about to tell you holds that secret. Long ago in Japan, there was a young scholar who believed he knew everything. He had studied countless books, memorized the words of masters, and thought wisdom was already his. But deep inside, he was restless. His mind was always full. So full that even in silence, he could not find peace. One day, he heard of a great Zen master and decided to visit him. Surely, he thought, this master will confirm my knowledge. He arrived at the master's home, eager to show off his learning. He spoke endlessly, quoting scriptures, sharing philosophies, talking about the truths he believed he had already grasped. The master listened quietly, never interrupting. After a while, he smiled and said, "Would you like some tea?" The scholar agreed. The master brought a teapot and began pouring. He poured until the cup was full, but then he kept pouring. Tea spilled over the edges, dripping onto the table and the floor. Shocked, the scholar shouted, "Stop! Can't you see the cup is overflowing? No more can go in." The master looked at him calmly and said, "Just like this cup, your mind is already full. How can I show you wisdom unless you first empty it?" In that moment, the scholar fell silent. He realized that his endless talking, his constant need to prove himself, was the very reason he could not learn anything new. His mind was so crowded with his own noise that wisdom had no space to enter. This story holds a lesson for us all. Our minds are often like that overflowing cup. We fill them with opinions, judgments, fears, and endless chatter. And then we wonder why we cannot find peace, why life feels heavy, why clarity escapes us. The truth is simple. You cannot receive until you make space. Emptying your mind does not mean forgetting everything. It means letting go of the noise, the clutter, the attachments that do not serve you. Think about it. A room filled with clutter leaves no space for fresh air. In the same way, a mind filled with worry leaves no space for wisdom. That is why Zen teaches us to breathe, to be still, to notice without clinging. When you empty your mind, even for a moment, clarity rises naturally. Creativity awakens. Peace flows in. So ask yourself, what fills your mind today? Is it anger at the past, fear of the future, or endless comparisons with others? These thoughts do not make you wiser. They only weigh you down. Let them go. Learn to sit in silence, even for 5 minutes. Notice your breath. Notice the present. Like an empty cup, make space for life to pour in fresh wisdom. Remember, the mind is a servant, not a master. When it is cluttered, it rules you. When it is clear, you rule it. Empty your mind, and you will discover what has always been waiting for you: peace, freedom, and a deeper connection to life itself.